By the end of this video, I want you to have the tools necessary to get your first 1,000 subscribers here on YouTube. What's up guys, Austin here. I've personally built 2 YouTube channels to well over 1,000 subscribers and have unlocked full monetization on both of those. I've also helped other channels reach that 1K mark and get back on track to getting fully monetized. I'm gonna share with you 4 strategies that I've used, and the last one is literally jet fuel for getting subs. And if you apply all 4 of these to your channel, it could literally be the difference between 0 growth and blowing up your channel to 1,000 subscribers or more. Strategy number 1 is channel optimization. Really, the whole goal with this is just to make sure that you've included everything you can on your channel so it looks professional, but more so just builds trust with your viewers so they know that when they show up, that they can subscribe to you with confidence and that you're going to continue to deliver on the promise, creating more content in that niche. Make sure you define your niche, have 2 or 3 content pillars, different topics that are relevant to each other that you make content about. Then you want to make sure that you add your name, which I personally chose my name. You can do a branded name. I just feel like people connect with people more than they do brands. Make sure your handle's updated, add a description. So this will help people just have more information on what your channel's about. You can also add relevant links, then add your profile photo, add your banner. And if you have questions about any of this, guys, just comment below. I'll be responding to every single one of you. Strategy number 2 is killer ideas. So when coming up with ideas, remember these 3 questions. Number 1, would thousands, if not millions of people want to watch a video on this topic? Question number 2, what are some current trends or events that I can make a video on? And this is called trend hacking. And number 3, what is a topic I could educate people on that they are actively searching for information about? Okay, let me walk you through a few examples. So I made a video about everyday carry, which is actually a topic that's maybe niche, but a lot of people are searching for. So it did really well and gained thousands of views. The second video I made was about the Apple Vision Pro, which of course at the time was a very trending topic, but more so than that, it was an interesting piece of tech that a lot of people wanted to learn more about, how much it costed, what people could do with it. So that video not only gained thousands of views on my long form video, but also gained over 1 million views on shorts. And then the last example would be this reaction video I made with my buddy Owen on the Dune Part 2 trailers. This was a movie that was coming out. It was trending. People were excited about it, and they just wanted to see other people's reactions on the trailer and the movie itself. One of my favorite ways to come up with ideas is just to find inspiration here on YouTube. And then I'll take a list of those concepts and ideas and I'll put them into PlannerVid. That's where I develop the concept and a lot of other details. So it's been a super huge tool for me to be able to organize all my thoughts and make sure that my video is going to be solid before I actually start filming and editing. And if you want to check out PlannerVid, I'll link it below the like button. And just remember, if you don't have a killer idea, this entire process will be so much harder for you. But I also don't want you to worry and stress about whether you have a good idea or not. This does take time and practice to hone. Keep at it, keep making videos, and you'll get better at this over time. Strategy number 3 is eye-catching thumbnails and titles. And guys, this is probably the most important strategy of all of them we've talked about so far. So here are a few things to keep in mind when you're designing your own thumbnails and titles. For titles, I would recommend keeping it short, putting any important keywords at the front of that title, and just make sure it creates curiosity with the viewer. Would you want to click on that title if you were on YouTube searching around? You can also ask family and friends or even followers on other social media accounts which one they find the most intriguing. For thumbnails, you want viewers to instantly know what your video is about. One way to do this is to keep your subject front and center. You can also remember the rule of thirds. You can also make sure you have a nice color palette where the colors are minimal and they complement each other. And of course, if you're adding text, make sure you use only 2 to 3 words and that the font is very visible and easy to read. I love using ClickPilot to see exactly how my thumbnail and title will look when it's published on YouTube. And I can also compare them to videos that are currently trending right now on the platform to see if my thumbnail stacks up with those. Another really great way of making sure you chose the right thumbnail is by making a few variations of that thumbnail, so then you can A/B test them against each other. And once that data comes back to you, then you have a better idea of which one you should select as your winner. This one tool alone has helped me gain a ton of viewers, and of course subscribers naturally come from that viewership. And if you're interested in A/B thumbnail test, I've linked it in the description and the pinned comment. Strategy number 4, this is literally the jet fuel for subscribers, and that is posting YouTube shorts. Guys, if you are not posting shorts, you are leaving views and subscribers on the table. This one strategy has gained me 2,642 plus subscribers alone. What I've done is while I'm filming a regular YouTube video, I'll make sure that I capture some footage specifically for shorts, or I'll make sure the footage I'm capturing for that long form video can be cropped vertically so then I can reuse it. So after I finish editing my long form video, I've already have my footage, my assets, and my audio all together. So I'll just create 2 or 3 YouTube shorts that I think will be super interesting. These are 60 seconds or less. Then I would recommend uploading these shorts about a week after your long form video, and make sure you tag that original video in the YouTube shorts. Not only will this help you find new subscribers in the shorts feed, it will also help more people find your channel and push viewers to that long form video, which is where people are more likely to subscribe to you anyways. You never know what short is going to go viral, so make sure you include this in your strategy. And just remember, at the end of the day, the whole focus of this should be providing value for your viewers, whether it's education or entertainment, and then falling in love with the process of making videos yourself. While some channels can use this strategy and blow up in a week, oftentimes it will take months, even up to a year, for people to reach 1,000 subscribers. I know for me, it took me a lot of effort and a lot of videos, just knowing that if you're following this system, you've already won and the subscribers will come in time. I'm currently working on more videos just like this to help filmmakers and YouTubers like you make it as a creative entrepreneur. So if you want to join the community, you can subscribe below. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.